to Tech for Kids.
Today we will be checking out the Lenovo
300E
Chromebook
LTE.
The sponsor of this video is Lenovo and AT&T. Let's get started.
Hey, so today we're going to talk about some of our favorite ways in which we use the Lenovo 300E Chromebook. So we've been using this for a couple weeks now, and I want to ask you girls, what are some of the favorite things about this device?
Can I go first? Oh, you'll go.
So what I like about the Chromebook is usually checking my Gmail, playing Roblox, or maybe just changing my background.
That's pretty fun. What about you, Claire?
I like to either do Lexia or I like to go and watch stuff. I don't know how to do any of the stuff that she said. I don't know how to change my screen.
Oh, we need to teach her how to change wallpaper. Okay, we can do that.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's show them what's cool about this device versus other Chromebooks.
It's like a laptop.
So it has an 11.6-inch screen, which is pretty cool. So the cool thing about a Chromebook is we can all have our accounts linked, and it can have our games and different things signed in. Okay, so now that Claire is logged in, Adele, why don't you go and show how it's a two-in-one device?
Two-in-one device. Okay, so obviously it's a Chromebook. But if you just flip it like that, you can make the screen like this. And it's a functional tablet too. See?
Wow.
And you can just easily put it back by getting back the computer.
Hang on. Look at this.
What?
Did you see that? You can have it be a tablet, but it also has its own kickstand built in. That's pretty cool. So you can play games on it, all right, like that. On your lap.
I would love to play games like that.
That's pretty cool, huh?
And you just flip it upside down and it'll be like that.
Okay, Claire. Now, this is how you change your wallpaper. Double click, and it says set wallpaper. And there's a bunch of options here.
There's a bunch of options.
Now for her, we are just going to dessert time. And there are cool, yummy dessert things.
Great.
Raining sprinkles, huh?
Now she chose Cloudburst. And to get out of this whole thing, just press the X.
I love my wallpaper.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Let me show you how to download games. So first you're going to go into Google Chrome. And then you'll have this. You can press this and then it'll go bigger. Just a little tip. Then you go into this one, the web store. And then you click right on games right here. And then you have a list of games. So let me show you how to access games. So you're going to swipe up there. But when you put it in tablet mode, it automatically does that. And now I'm going to show you this Chrome canvas. And then you have all these drawing things. And you have your canvas. And you can go to the circle. Then you have all the colors that you can need. And the big one is just the one that you have in your storage. Then if I press this pretty blue, it'll go big, and that's the one that I'm gonna color with. And you can pick your tools. I'm normally a marker girl. So I'm gonna do a heart. Oops, I messed up. And now I can do that. And it'll make it disappear. Then I can do that to respawn it. And the pencil down here, this is the size. Small is that. And big is that.
Whoa, that's big.
It's ginormous.
Show us how to go home. Just swipe up from the
Home.
bottom.
So you swipe up from the bottom, and it can go that.
So now show us how to favorite one of those on the bottom.
Favorite?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to do Lexia. I'm going to press on it, and then I'm going to drag it down.
Or so just press and hold. Oh, yeah, right in the middle.
And then I'll do it right there, and then I have these. Then I can flip it back like this. Oh, no. No.
Oh, look, it stayed on the bottom.
Yeah.
Cool.
Boom, baby. Boom, Chrome, baby.
Good job.
One thing is easy that I like to do. I go into Google Chrome. Chrome size. And I go here. And then I press on this. And then I press on any of their videos.
Those sound fun.
They're really weird. And I like them.
Oh. Okay. Thanks for showing me.
Bye!
Sign out, go to the bottom.
Alright. Bottom.
And then just click the red button.
And you click the red button and it says sign out. Then you press that. And then cancel if you don't want to sign out. And sign out now. And then you press it. And then your laptop is off. Now it's Gwen's turn. I don't know her password. You don't know
Because it's super secret.
Yeah.
And don't tell your passwords to anybody.
Even your garage password. Bye.
What game do I want to play or show?
How do you have so many games? All right, Gwen, what are some of your favorite things to do on the Chromebook?
I like doing this game
Yeah?
and watching that.
Ooh, PBS, that is a great game.
And
Ooh, the play games,
I'm gonna do
that's
this.
really fun.
I'm gonna do that.
Now, what happens if you drop the Chromebook?
It doesn't break.
It doesn't break. It has a really rugged design that is drop protected. So you do got to be careful with it, but it is protected against slight drops. And what if you spilled your drink on it? That's a bad thing, huh? But the cool thing about the Lenovo 300E Chromebook is it does have spill resistance up to about 12 ounces of water. So that is nice that that is built in as well. Accidents happen. Have you ever spilled milk before? Yeah, accidents happen. So it's nice that all that is protected. So let's see the game that she is playing. And then over here on the side, you have the option to turn up the volume.
Invite our friends to
Yeah.
come. Hi, neighbor. Thank you. Thanks, Hoo-Hoo. Not quite yet. Thank you, but I'm still tasting what I have. A terrific thank you. A royal thank you, neighbor. Thanks.
And when she's all done, she can just press the X to close out the game and close the laptop to save the battery for later.
Then tap where you want the balloon to go. Yeah!
Yay!
So Adele, what were you using the Chromebook for all morning?
What was I using it for?
Yeah.
I was watching YouTube on it.
Well, oh, so that's why the battery is getting lower, huh?
Yeah.
Adele, what's one more feature that this Chromebook has?
Oh yeah, right. This Chromebook has a cool feature called AT&T 4G LTE.
So what does that mean?
It means if maybe you wanted to take this on a trip far away from your home and maybe you don't know a Wi-Fi password or you don't have one, it just has it for you and you don't have to do any passwords with Wi-Fi or anything. It just is there. You can keep watching videos.
That's awesome.
At least if your battery's charged.
Is it still working?
Yeah.
And then what's your favorite thing to do?
I don't know. My three favorite things, I can't pick a favorite, but my three favorite things are changing my wallpaper, going on Gmail, and chatting with my friends, and watching YouTube.
That's pretty cool that we can do it all on this one device.
Yep, pretty cool. Yep, it's pretty cool. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you want to buy the Lenovo Chromebook, just click the link down in the description, and that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching so much. Bye! Bye.